In this lesson, we are going to take a look at how we can add text symbols in AutoCAD. When dealing with drawings, we often use symbols such as the degree symbol, plus minus, or the diameter symbol. Let's take a look at how we can add those in the text editor. I'm going to double click on my text, and this should say symmetrical about a diameter 1.60 cylinder. So I'm going to click in front of the 1, and up top here in my ribbon, I can choose Symbol in the Insert panel, and you can see some commonly used symbols here like degrees, plus minus, and diameter, as well as several other ones. I can also choose Other to bring up the Symbols dialog box to choose many other symbols. For now, I'm just going to choose the diameter. Notice the text to the right. You can also type %% to create a diameter. So I'll go ahead and click there, and now you can see I have my diameter symbol. Line number 3 should read all dimensions are plus or minus 0.02. So I'm going to click in front of the decimal here and go to Symbol and choose plus minus here. You can also edit dimensions the same way. So I'm going to click outside the text box, and here I have a couple of dimensions that are referring to cylindrical shapes and should have the diameter symbol in front of them. So I'll double click on one of these dimensions and type in %C, and as you can see, it turns into the diameter symbol. Then I can click away from it. So two different ways to add the diameter symbol: type %C or use the symbol tool. Whichever you find to be the most convenient. This time I'll do the symbol again and choose diameter that way. Then escape. So when you find yourself needing some symbols, you can either use the symbol tool inside the text editor, or in many cases, use a keyboard shortcut such as the %C for diameter. That concludes this lesson on adding text symbols in AutoCAD.